Standard 7th. Subject English. Chapter Journey to the West. Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, teacher.
Students, do you know what is a novel? Have you ever read any novel? Today we are going to read an interesting lesson, Journey to the West. This is actually a novel. This novel is from classic Chinese literature. It was written in the 16th century by Wu Chenglin. In this lesson, we are going to learn about an epic novel with the title Journey to the West and its most popular character, Sun Wukong or Monkey King.
Teacher, did the Chinese people know English language in those days?
No, actually this novel was written in Chinese language. But nowadays, most of the world's good literature is translated into English. Students, this lesson will remind you of a few things that you read in your history textbook last year. Do you know the difference between epic, classic, historical, and fictional?
No, teacher.
Okay, I will explain. Epic means a long poem that tells the story of a hero. Classic means excellent example. Historical means based on history. Fictional means not real, belonging to an imaginary story. Students, do you know how do people find their way through desert, forest, mountains, oceans, etc. today and in the past?
Yes, ma'am. Today people find their way with the help of maps. When they travel in cars, helicopters, aeroplanes. They also get information from different types of books, internet or GPS, etc. Ma'am, in the past people found their way while traveling on foot, horseback, boats, ships, etc. with the help of stars at night. They also used magnetic compass to find their way. Good answers. Students, now I will read some statements and you have to tell me whether each of them is historical or fictional. That will help me to know whether you have understood what fiction is. Okay, teacher.
Now listen the statements carefully. Indian merchants used to travel across the seas many centuries ago.
This statement is historical.
Good. Sinbad, the sailor, completed 7 voyages.
This statement is fictional.
Good. Next is Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in the 20th century.
This statement is historical.
Correct. Alexander the Great conquered a number of countries before he came to India.
Ma'am, this statement is also historical.
Correct. Now the next one is Gulliver met very tiny people in Lilliput and giants in the country of Brobdingnag.
Ma'am, this statement is fictional.
Okay, there's a man in the moon who watches what's going on the earth.
This statement is fictional.
Good. Now the last statement is Emperor Ashoka's empire stretched from the modern-day Afghanistan to Bangladesh.
Ma'am, this statement is also historical.
Well done, children.